करूँ शुरू? Good afternoon, girls. Today we are going to perform the experiment of analysis of creatinine in the urine by the JAVS method on the colorimeter. So here we have the digital colorimeter and this is the cuvette in which we have placed the water for calibrating this instrument. कैलिब्रेशन का मतलब है हम इनिशियली इसमें पानी डाल के इसकी जब रीडिंग लेंगे 520 नैनोमीटर विच इज़ द वेवलेंथ फॉर द क्रिएटिनिन डिटर्मिनेशन ऑन कैलोरीमीटर. सो वाटर की रीडिंग जब ज़ीरो आ जाएगी दैट मीन्स योर इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज कैलिब्रेटेड at 520 nanometer. The reading should be 0. So after performing the blank analysis that we are doing the calibration of this instrument. Now we will take the reading of blank which contains blank contains your creatinine solution and the blank contains your distilled water
and
picric acid and sodium hydroxide. So in the blank there should not be any creatinine present, because if creatinine will be present in the blank then it will absorb some amount of light and it will give its reading which should not be there. So we can see very well the reading of blank is again 0. That means the instrument is calibrated because the blank contains water, picric acid and the sodium hydroxide. So no creatinine yet. Reading is again 0. That means the blank is fine. Now we'll take the reading of standard which contains creatinine working standard solution along with the picric acid and the sodium hydroxide. So what picric acid will do? It will react with the creatinine to form the orange colored creatinine picrate complex, as you can see in the cuvette. So we have taken the reading of standard. Now we'll take the reading of test. In the test sample we have the urine sample or the serum sample along with sodium hydroxide and the picric acid. So this is the unknown sample of any patient in which we have to determine the concentration of creatinine in the urine or in the serum. So whatever reading will come, we will calculate the concentration of unknown sample by the Beer's law that states that absorbance is directly proportional to the concentration. So जितना इसमें creatinine ज़्यादा होगा उतनी absorbance ज़्यादा आएगी. स्टैंडर्ड की absorbance आपको पता है 520 नैनोमीटर पे. स्टैंडर्ड में कितना क्रिएटिनिन डला है 1 मिलीग्राम है जो है वो आपको स्टैंडर्ड में क्रिएटिनिन की कंसंट्रेशन भी पता है और आपको एब्जॉर्बेंस भी पता है. और टेस्ट सैंपल में आपको एब्जॉर्बेंस पता है. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द अननोन कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ क्रिएटिनिन इन द गिवन सैंपल ऑफ यूरिन और द सीरम. सो A1 अपॉन A2 इज इक्वल टू C1 अपॉन C2. सो आप अननोन सैंपल में क्रिएटिनिन की कंसंट्रेशन डिटर्मिन कर सकते हो किसी भी पेशेंट. Thank you so much.